ET back again. What's up, you sick son of a bitches? This is ET, and I have a message to spread, and I need your opinions, so I need you to hit me up in the fucking comments. Stop fucking around. Like my video. Subscribe. It's good for your health. I've said it once, and I'll say it again. So these old heads, and I'll mention these people in particular. Patrick Kareem. This fucking guy with the bad charts. That's what he calls himself. And you know I watch Kitco. David Lynn, this fucking guy right here, he's one of the best interviewers in the game. Jim Rogers, old mush mouth, ugly ab boy. But he hit the bull market of the 70s. And that's what matters. Mining stocks. So this is what I just got to ask the question, guys. So these old heads, they keep coming on. And they keep saying that there's this market rotation between stocks and precious metals. Okay, so some eras people are really investing in the companies, and some eras people are investing in the more Putin style investments, like the gold, the silver, the corn, fucking pig bellies, all the natural shit, commodity shit that comes from the ground. They ruled Bitcoin a commodity. I don't know if you can rule any of these other crypto shit coins as a commodity, but this is the theory. Like, sometimes stocks go high and then gold goes high. And, stocks high, gold high. I can't fucking stress it enough. Sometimes people want companies that are going to grow and they're speculating, and other times people really hunker down. So I've been looking at these gold and S&P, silver versus S&P. And we're going to hope for the best here when we're looking around for these. That one chart I just showed you, honestly, it looked like fucking stocks were going to break out against gold. What are the odds, But I guess you could get that rejection of a century like you got back here. So, I just, seriously, guys, this is more of a question than anything. Is, do you think that people would ever stop investing in companies and just hunker down on this gold shit? Because all these old heads are saying, hey, this is just like the 70s. This is what's going to happen. Let's see what we got going on with this chart here. It doesn't tell me what the X or the Y axis is. That's fucking helpful. Christ. Yeah, can't make much of that. Let's look for another. Oh, here we go. Stocks versus gold, 120 years. So, yeah, and we'll go look at some charts. Gold's hanging in tough. This is a big theory people just don't get, is that gold's really hanging in there fucking tough against these other charts. The S&P, Dow Jones, gold. Gold's up 338. What the fuck? S&P. Thing's on a tear. 405. 950. I don't understand how this number is lower than this. Oh, it's because I'm at that specific point in time. But yeah, we're hanging in tough here. I'm all about the gold because, to be quite frank with you, I don't trust people. What's this one? That's silver. Jesus Christ, it had a good day in the fucking... Oh yeah, they're not showing it. But yeah, it's getting outperformed, to be quite frank with you. But it's hanging in tough, and let's go look at the trading view. So we look at the GLD. Okay. Actually, I prefer to look at the futures because it's just smoother all around the board. Shout out TVC. These bastards are really doing it. Yeah, let's go to gold here. So look at this beast here. I mean, I don't want to bring any bias in, so I'm going to go ahead and hide all the shit here. But if you looked at this, you would think that this was a shit coin. Up only. So imagine $19. Your grandparents bought this for you in 31. $19 an ounce. That's 10x. So, they could have went and pulled together some change and picked that out. If you went in the 60s, what are we looking at? $30. This is a shit coin, boys and girls. I don't know what else to tell you. And so when you really zoom in, like if you look at the more speculative companies, such as ARK Invest, such as the cannabis companies, they've all taken a serious smackdown. Let me go into a 2-day chart, maybe perhaps a 12-hour. They've taken a true smacking, and they don't really show it. They're just bottoming. I mean, there's no other way to say it. Like, bottom, heading towards a bottom. Down, 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 down only. But then you got gold, and this bitch is showing a little strength. So, are people in these times going to be buying a Peloton, or are they going back for the gold? And these old heads that say, invest in gold, sonny. It's the best investment. They're only saying that shit because it must have paid off once. in their life. You know what I mean? So you got gold on a massive bounce, and this bounce is truly shocking. I can't explain it. The price of gold is something that fascinates me. I think it's really the key to all financial markets. So the fact that gold's off 16% off of the bottom, that's pretty good. No, I'm not gonna lie. And so, you know, if gold is flying, maybe you could expect some other stuff to fly. And then let's go look at the juniors. The fucking juniors. That's what the real fucking whites call it. Yeah, and I'll say that because I'm not making any money on YouTube, so I don't know what else to tell you. This is Silver Junior. Junior mining stocks. They're out here looking for the fucking shit in the ground. They'll probably sell out, but this is a speculative fund, for God's sakes. Okay? This is a speculative fund, and this bitch is bouncing. This was the COVID low way back here. $4. This bitch is picking up steam off of a bottom of $8, okay? Let's just see. How much is this bitch up? How much is it up? Oh my God. 41. 41% off of a bottom. Call it 40. And then you got the gold junior. I mean, 52% off of the motherfucking bottom. Okay? Silver, nice bounce. And God knows I tried to fade gold. Should have sold the bottom, but I didn't. I'm an asshole. I mean, how is this up so much? What the fuck is happening here? So, let's go look at the speculative ones. Let's look at ARK Invest. So, you know, during the COVID bull run, it was a good time for all of us, you know. We were high-fiving our friends and not yelling at our wives. It was a great time. But, you know, ARK Invest was outperforming gold. That's not the case. Let me see if I can find this piece of shit. Oh, fuck. What a fucking nightmare that is. Alright, there you are, buddy. Alright, now let's check this out. How does this make sense? This bitch is hitting 52-week lows. It's getting beaten like it stole something. Lows. Let's see. Total crypto market cap, lows. I mean, that's a nice little lunchtime cuck pattern going on. I don't know about all this shit, man. I'll be honest, dawg. Oh yeah, lunchtime. Lows. Cardano, nice bounce, but you're still down there. Is Cardano up 52% off of its bottom? It might be. I mean, Jesus Christ, this thing went down. $37. You can't complain. All right? But how do you explain? How do you explain this shit that these gold and these old heads are warning? And I'm wondering, are they trying to sell a product? Are they using me as exit liquidity for their bullshit, you know, what do they call those fucking, it's like when you, yeah, accredited investors only, I don't know what the fuck it's called. But look at the bounce off of these. And then you got stocks. The cannabis stocks down. How is Lucid Motors doing? That's a EV. Speculative EV company. How we doing? Oh, that's a fucking low. Okay, you got the banks bouncing. So what do you guys think, man? Do you think these old heads, especially this one guy, he's always like, oh yeah, gold's gonna break out against S&P, silver, S&P. They are truly convinced that this is some massive trend shift that is happening right now. And I wish I could find the goddamn chart. I'll try one more. Ah, gold. Yeah, this is people are selling stuff. Might be worth a shot. Oh, dear fuck. Okay, yeah, here, this is an example, and I don't know if I'm cherry picking here, but we're gonna look at it. I mean, dude, that downtrend is serious. Since like 2012, down only. Stocks, gold cheap, stocks expensive, stocks cheap, gold expensive. Now, yeah, I don't know how you don't explain that this wasn't an all-time high here during the COVID run, because that was a spectacular bubble. We love it. But, shit, it's low now. Okay, so A lot of people think that, there's a mind change whenever it goes above 50% of the market cap, gold versus S&P. I don't know. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. This is ET Bear Flags. I'm probably going to look back at this video and smack the shit out of myself for even thinking this is possible. But you got to remain hopeful out here. That's what keeps life going. ET Bear Flags. Subscribe. Good for your health. I'm out.